Well, good morning. It's February 19th, 2013, and we're in the little town of Waycross, Georgia, in southeastern Georgia, and we've got some overcast here, but we've got a clear atmosphere. We're going to wait for the light to come up a little bit, and we're going to go do some aerial projects this morning, and we're working around the weather. We're going to get as much done as we can. We're going to head for the light, as they say, and we're going to work our way back. We're working the southern Gulf areas. We're going to work our way back in the next several days. We're going to have to work around the weather, but we're going to work our way back towards Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and just get the remaining southern Gulf projects on our way back to Mike's home base in Terrell, Texas. February 19th, 2013.